Hey y'all, how's it going? Listen, it feels like it's been a little while since I've seen all of you. Man, happy new year. This is January 2022. I haven't seen you all since, oh my goodness, November. Wow, almost 2 months. But that makes total sense since we are a bi-monthly subscription box. But I just want to say good day to everybody, whether you're watching this today, if you're watching it tomorrow, whenever you're watching it. Hey, how y'all doing? It's so good to see you. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to join us. Do me a favor, go ahead and put in the comment section where you're joining us from. Um, Give me your city and your state. Let me know, are you a subscriber? Let me know if you are a subscriber, what do you subscribe to, which level? And just again, welcome. Hit the share button. Do me a favor, hit the share button, hit the like button, and hit the share button. Do that for me. But yeah, I can't see you guys. Put in the comment section. Let me see. Hey, hey, hey. Um, yeah, but put in the comment section where you're joining us from. Again, so happy to see you all. Happy New Year. Good stuff is going to be tonight. Tonight, we are unboxing our January, February subscription box. Hey, Regina. Hey, good to see you. I hope you're feeling better. We are unboxing the January, February box, and it's going to be so much fun tonight. Not only are we going to unbox the January, February box, but we're going to take a look back at some of the, hey, Sister Takia. Hi, Betsy. Hey, from Michigan. Nice to have you. Woo, I bet you it is cold up in Michigan. I don't know if it's snow. I'm a Florida girl, born, raised, bred, Southern hospitality, Southern Florida girl all day long. We were in the 70s today. So good to see you. So yeah, tonight we're going to unbox January, February, and then we're going to take a look back. Since we have some new faces, we're going to look back to see some of the boxes that we've done already. Yeah, freezing. Betsy says she's freezing. And just have a good time, okay? So if you haven't done so already, hit the share button, hit the like button, and let's have a good time on tonight. So let me introduce myself. My name is Michon. Like I said before, I am from the Florida area of Land Lakes, Florida, a little small town in Land Lakes. And I am an interpreter. I've been interpreting for professionally for almost 16 years. Hey, Rob. How you doing, sir? Good to see you. I've been interpreting for almost 16 years professionally. And I'm also a full-time instructor in the interpreter training program here in Tampa at the University of South Florida. Go Bulls. This is the location where I graduated from the interpreter training program. And so it's an honor and a pleasure to be here teaching full-time, educating our future professionals, interpreters. And so recently, actually last year in May was our first box. May was the first time that we were able to start the interpreter box. And ever since May, it has been such a blast. I have thoroughly enjoyed curating ideas, and every 2 months, I have a theme. And so that theme is centered around something interpreter related. And hi, Mother Vasquez. Thank you for joining us. Good to see you, Mother Vasquez. And so every 2 months we have a theme. And so this month's theme, since we're starting afresh, a new year, January 2022, I said, you know what, let's make sure that we start the year ready to go, ready to have the best year ever. And so our theme this year, or our theme for these 2 months of January and February is the Interpreter Survivor Kit. You're just in case. So interpreters out there, talk to me in the chat. Give me a yes, girl, I feel you, or I know what you're talking about. Let me give you this scenario. Have you ever been either off on a day You said, I'm not taking any interpreter jobs today. I'm off. Or the other scenario would have been, you know what? I think this job is going to end early. So I might have an opportunity to, let's see, I might have an opportunity to go ahead and take another job. Or this job is going to run late. Any of those scenarios where you just weren't ready. And so this box is a box to make sure that you stay ready. You stay on the go, whether you are a freelance interpreter, whether you are working VRI, whether you're working VRS, wherever you're working, having this month's box is going to be what's going to make your year fantastic. So tell me, yes, no, have you ever been there where you needed something and you're like, oh man, I wish I had that with me? Well, I got you on this one. So let's get started. Let's get this unboxing process started. So I've got my box here, right here, and we're just going to pull things out of the box. My why I do this. Interpreters, we work tirelessly. We work hard to ensure that the deaf community, the hearing community are connected. That is our end goal. We want to be that bridge that connects two worlds together, right? Give me a yes, you right. That's why I work. That's why I interpret. And so I took a look around and said, there's nothing available for interpreters to get in the mail to say, this is your day. This is your gift to you for doing such an amazing job. Sometimes we get thank yous, sometimes we don't. Doesn't matter. We're here serving the community, right? And so I started the interpreter box so that aspiring interpreters or working interpreters have something to help them keep going along the way, keep pushing, keep striving, have something to look forward to. And so I've seen a few subscribers say, whenever I get my box, it's like Christmas all over again because it's a surprise. You don't know what's going to be inside. You don't necessarily know what the theme is, but it's going to be something that interpreters y'all can use. Okay, so that's why we have the interpreter box. The cool thing about the interpreter box subscription is that we have 3 levels. Okay, so I got you. I know some of us are on a budget. Yes, for the budget. So I got you on every level of a budget. And we're going to start first with our first box. This is a little sneak peek of what's in there. Our first level is called the TerpTee subscription. So every 2 months, those who are on the TerpTee level subscription, it is $20. Okay, Vente, $20. That's it, plus $5 for shipping and handling. So every 2 months, you will get some type of apparel item that has either the interpreter symbol or it has a CODA interpreter design that I designed. And I think our interpreter is going to share with us hopefully later what that design looks like. But every 2 months, you get some type of apparel item that has that logo on there. So this month, again, ever been on the job? Maybe you were out. I did this to somebody one time. I called an interpreter, said, hey, are you available to take this job for me? They were like, well, I'm in the grocery store. I was like, oh man, I hope that's a yes. I hope she's got something, an emergency kit in the car where she can take this job. So for those of us who travel or just need something to have in the back, ready to pull it out at any time, I've got you covered. We have the emergency polo shirt. Okay. And so this is what came in the TerpTee. Now, the cool thing about the TerpTee subscription, just $20, those had their logo embroidered on their shirts. Super cool. I can give you an example of what it looked like. The logo that came on their shirt was like this, and it was on their polo. So anybody who is subscribed to the TerpTee, they receive this blue color. I think the blue is amazing because sometimes we have deaf-blind consumers who might need a different contrasting color. Besides black, they might need blue. And this works with all skin tones, okay? So that's why we chose the blue. But the TerpTee subscription, they got this nice polo shirt. Now this edition, we did something different for those who are ladies and they wanted to subscribe. We did a female cut on their polo shirt. The males have a polo shirt made for males and the cut of their body. So we did do something different this time. Always looking to improve, but that's what we did. Again, those of you just joining, hey, say hello to us in the comment section. Where are you joining us from? I'm curious. I want to know so we can say, hey, so glad to have you. So again, TerpTee T-shirt club. Every 2 months, you're just paying $20. That's $10 a month. Tell me, where can you go into the store and find an interpreter shirt that has the interpreter symbol on it? You can't. Don't sleep on IES. I'm going to say not yet. But as of right now, you cannot walk into the store and purchase a polo with the IES, or rather the interpreter symbol or the CODA symbol on it. So kudos to those of you who are in the TerpTee club. All right, next. So those that decide to go up a level, we have the TerpTee and More. And so that is, of course, they get the TerpTee shirt, and then it comes with an accessory item. Every 2 months, the accessory is different. And this month, we did something a little different. We did a fun bling necklace and or post earrings. So depending on what you selected, I give you so many options. You get to choose, do you want the interpreter symbol or the CODA symbol? You get to choose your accessory. Do you want earrings? Do you want a necklace? Do you want a bracelet? And dudes, guys, I got you covered too. I've curated and selected items that are urban. That's the way I like to call it, urban, right? Unisex. So so you can choose either option. You get to choose whatever you want. Okay. So for this one, this was the necklace. This is a bling necklace, but the others were post earrings. I love wearing earrings. Hey, Stephanie, how you doing? Good to see you, and thank you for sharing it. Oh, yes. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate you. This option, this person selected the necklace, and so this was their option. And it's still, you can still wear it on an assignment. You know, put it right there in your shirt, and you still have that necklace look. No worries. Well, for those of you, sometimes I forget my earrings, or I'm on the job, or something happens, and we have post earrings, little small post earrings, and they're not distractive. You can wear them while on the job. If you just need something in emergency setting, you're good. You're covered. All right, Stephanie, glad that you're doing good. So that is our T-shirt club and more. Again, $30. Stephanie, my other Stephanie. Thank you, Stephanie. I appreciate you. My former student, you rock. You rock. Hey, girl. Yes, and so that was our 2 options. So again, we have the T-shirt club right here. They had their embroidered interpreter hands on their shirts. T-shirt and more, they had an accessory item. Again, you guys get to choose what item you want. Okay, I'm curating by your choice. So if you want a necklace, a bracelet, a new bracelet every 2 months, a new necklace every 2 months, new earrings, you tell me what you want. Okay, and that is the T-shirt and more. Now listen, the ultimate box is the interpreter box. And you're Miss Monica. Hi, happy to see you. Thank you for joining us. The ultimate of ultimate box. You get so much bang for your buck. It's a lot of stuff in here. So I've already pulled out the T-shirt. Already pulled out the accessory and more. But listen, let me tell you what else came in this interpreter box, okay? Ever been on a job and your phone is dying? How are you going to connect with the agencies? How are you going to text them and let them know if anything pops up? You need you a power charger, a power bank. So we got you a power bank, y'all. This one, you keep it wherever you need it to go. And the cool thing, what we did and what we try to do for all of our boxes, y'all, is personalized. Has your name on it. Okay? Your name is on your own charger. So don't let somebody stand up and say, oh, I think that's mine. It's not, because my name's on it. I know this is mine. This is mine. My name is on it. All of our ultimate boxes, the interpreter box, ultimate box, at least one item is customized with your name on it. Now, I've said this before. I have a very unique name, Michon. You don't go around hearing that name often. So growing up, I would try to find my name on different items and different products. Would never be there. Never ever there. I would see Michelle, but that's not Michon. Michelle, Michon, completely different names. So one thing I wanted to do was to make sure that there was a personalized item in every interpreter box. So I could go on and on. I won't. But yes, Rob, you love it. I'm so glad you love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you got to have your power bank. And again, this is the interpreter kit, the survivor kit. You ever been somewhere on a job and you spilled your coffee on your shirt and you're like, how am I going to interpret with 50 people looking at me and I've got a coffee stain on my shirt? What you need? You need you a tied pin, a tied to go pin. Again, survivor kit. Okay, survivor kit. You need your to go pin. Just open that bad boy up. Get that stain out. Be confident and keep going. Keep working, right? That's what you need in your life. And I got you. We got you. And for those of us, we have 2 more surprises to open up. For those of us who might get cold easily, that would be me. My husband laughs at me all the time because it could be 76 degrees in the house and I'm cold. That's cool. That's fine. For those of you up north, who said that they were cold? It was freezing. Wasn't it Betsy? Betsy said she was freezing up there. But what do you do when you're interpreting? You want to put on gloves, but you can't. What do you do? I got you. You put on these arm warmers. Okay? Put on these arm warmers. It's a solid color. Put it on. You're good to go. You can still, if I put it on the right way, let me put it on the right way. You can still interpret with these. Listen, look at that. Your arms are covered. Maybe you had a short sleeve that day. You can still interpret with this, but your arms are good. You covered. Again, survivor kit. We got you. We got you. That was a little surprise in there. But the ultimate of ultimates, what are you going to carry all of this in? You're going to carry it in your brand new sling bag right here. This sling bag right here, right here. Look at this. So this person has ordered the interpreter symbol on their sling bag. And you can put all of your survivor kit. Thank you, Miss Monica. Put all of your survivor kit items inside the bag. If it's inside the bag, throw it in your car. And then whenever you need it, your stuff is good to go. It's ready for you. So what are you going to put in there? I'm going to put, and there's pockets in here too. I'm going to put my shirt in there. Okay, I'm going to roll it up. Rob, you want to get it personalized? Okay, hit me up. Roll this up so that it's not going to be wrinkled. Put it in your bag. See how it fits in there? Easily. Power charger in your bag. Fits in there. You're tied. Put it right there in the front. You're good to go. You ready. You're warmer. Sir, how are you? How are you, Pastor? Good to see you. Put your arm warmers in there. Put it in your bag. And you have your survivor kit. It's ready. Whatever you need, you good. Oh, I forgot one thing. Tylenol. Ever been working a job? You're like, okay, this job about to end. Or how about this one? Interpreters, I know us. Steven, how you doing? I know us interpreters. We will say, okay, I'll eat when the job is over. And now you have a hunger headache. But you have another job after this, another interpreting assignment. What are you going to do? Pop a Tylenol and keep moving. Let's go. Let's do this. All right. So that is this month's Survivor Kit, our January, February box. again, so let's go back. Let's see it one more time. The arm warmers, and this was the ultimate kit. The arm warmers. And Valerie, I'll swap you out for a moment. Do you have your bag? Yes. Do you mind getting your bag so that they see what the Coda bag looks like? Yay! All right, Val. Listen. Do y'all see that? COADA. So this is what I designed for the Coda interpreters. See that O is replaced with the interpreter symbol. And so you have that option either to choose the interpreter symbol or the Coda interpreter symbol. So those of you who have Coda friends, please let them know, listen, we got something for you all. Something for the Coda interpreters. So I'm going to go back through and then I have a special guest and then we're going to wrap up. Okay, we got our TerpTee shirt. That club is just $20 every 2 months. Y'all, that's $10 a month. Just don't go to Starbucks one week and you got your goods, you got your money. And remember the TerpTee, they had their symbol right on their shirt. All right. We have the jewelry accessory that comes with the TerpTee and More. You get to choose earrings, bracelets, necklace, whatever. I'm here for you to choose what you want. And that's the TerpTee and More. And then the ultimate box had the arm warmers. They had this amazing sling bag because you know when we're working, sometimes let's talk about the medical field. When we go in that doctor's office or we're in the hospital and we're interpreting, nobody wants to put their purse on the floor. Nobody wants to put their wallet on the floor. So once you put this on, and it's adjustable too for whatever size you need. Once you put it on, just put it around you here. And now your hands are free and you can still interpret. So you good. All your stuff is in the bag and you're good to go. So that ultimate interpreter box, $49.95 plus shipping. And I have a very special deal for you all that sign up tonight. If I can get my earring out. Those of you that sign up tonight, subscribe tonight for the first time, you will get a free gift, some blue light glasses. So those of us who might be working VRS or working VRI and your eyes are on the screen all day, I have some blue light glasses that should help with that glare and help with the screen. And I have 2 different designs for you. I have a cat. No, I'm sorry. I think it's called tortoise shell design. I have a tortoise shell design that you can choose, or I have a clear. Trenda, hey, how are you, Trenda? Make sure you sign up tonight and you're going to get these blue light glasses. You get these blue light glasses when you sign up today. All right, that's one option. Or this clear, you can probably see it here. This is the clear option. So you can use these and wear these while working or while interpreting. Those are for you that sign up tonight. I got you. All right. Listen, special treat. We have one of our subscribers, and she's dear to my heart because she is one of our founding members. She started with us way back. I think she signed up back in April, which is her name as well. April signed up with us and has been with us from the jump. So April is going to come and April is going to tell us what her experiences have been like. Awesome. Val, can you unmute yourself? Awesome. April, tell us, what do you think about the interpreter box?
Oh, I can remember when Michon sent out the message at the very beginning, letting us know it was coming. And I was like, ooh, I have to admit, I was a little hesitant. I was like, should I sign up or should I not? So I went ahead and I signed up and I opened my box. The first thing on my mind was something I would have never thought of. Michon is just so good at coming up with this stuff. But she got things that we need. Like I got that coat, that rain jacket with the interpreter signal. It's easy to be identified. It's black, it's champ. Anyway, let me show you this. And my cup, people. I use that cup faithfully. It doesn't matter. I put cold stuff in it, hot stuff in it. It doesn't matter. It's just the perfect thing. And she gets the right stuff that we need. It is so nice. And I be like, people are like, where did you get that from? The Interpreter box. The owner is from Florida. Her name is Michon Shaw. She developed the Interpreter box for interpreters, and to make sure that we have things that we need. And I feel like it's just so worth it. It's worth the investment. $49.95. I mean, everything you get in that for $49.95, it makes me smile. It makes me laugh when I open up my box, right? And I smile even more because look at this. My name is on it. It is a great idea. If I lose it, everybody knows it's mine. My name is on it. It's personalized. So it's just real nice to get something like this. And I thank you for curating something like this. Think about interpreters when you do this interpreter box. It comes instantaneously for you. We don't have to think about it. I'm just so excited. And I'm like, oh, I bet Michon has this in the box, when I think of things that I might need. So for those who haven't signed up, I highly recommend you to do it. No doubt. Just go ahead and just do it. I mean, I've been subscribing since September? Is that right? Wow. No, April. April? Really? Oh my God. Time flies by so fast. Well, it's worth it. And that umbrella, I still have my umbrella. Let me see, my rain jacket, my cup. I love my earrings. Oh, my shirt. It's so cute. The one with the stripes and the wine or maroon color, the gold interpreter signal. Oh, yes. It's so pretty. I still have that. I love it. I mean, just good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. You won't regret it. I promise. I promise you.
Oh, thank you so much, April, for sharing. I'm just thrilled when I see that people say that they love it or they can use it. I mean, and that's the goal, that you can use everything that's in there. And when it's coming from an interpreter who's working in the field, like, we know what's up, what we need. So I just love hearing stories from you all. One person, Val, if you don't mind, one person recently reached out to me today and asked if we do boxes for males. I said, absolutely. So just to show you guys tonight, this was one of the male boxes. And November, December, they had a V-neck. It was a very nice V-neck, soft material. The females, we got this fuzzy sweater. The fuzzy one. The females, we got the fuzzy. This right here has been my jam. Oh, it's so soft, but you can still interpret in it. The color is rich, makes you feel like, oh. So April, thank you so much for being with us on tonight. I got a question for you, April.
And ask me the question. I have something I want to add to that.
Okay, April. So you got our September, October box, which was our scarf.
Yes.
And so I had some left over. And April's like, what? You have some left over? I need to order one for my sister. She's a deaf interpreter. She needs a scarf. And so April was able to order. I think you got like one of our last ones. We are currently sold out, but this scarf was amazing. Hey, Gigi.
Wow. I was planning on mentioning that. When you talked about that scarf, my sister started interpreting a year has passed now. And I thought, she doesn't really have any kind of interpreting stuff or anything that has the symbol of an interpreter. And I thought that would just be nice and classy, And so I was like, do you have anything, have it left? I was like, yes, boom, bam, yes. And so I said, this is yours as your mentor. I didn't say anything. Michon said, I got you. I said, okay, great. And so I said, my sister, check your mailbox. Something should be coming in soon. She was like, okay. My sister's like, I didn't get anything from you. I was like, but who is IES? And I was like, I thought in my mind, that's the box I've been trying to tell you, but I wouldn't tell her what it was. So, and she was like, who's my mentor? And I said, well, that is from Michon Business. However, it's from me, your sister. My sister was like, she was blown away. She said, but you said my mentor. I said, I am. You always tell people my sister is my mentor. but I'm your sister. And she was like, oh, I love you. Oh gosh. It just was so heartwarming. And so for those who know someone that might be an interpreter, I think it's great gifts that you can give them. You know, it's good stuff to donate to them, give to them, buy for them, keep them motivated, inspired, you know, and especially for our deaf community. That's who we're working for, the deaf community. So I just think it's great to be able to offer that to other interpreters or aspiring interpreters that are coming up in the field. My sister loved it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad. So every now and again, we have some things that are left over. But we are getting ready to wrap up tonight. You guys have been amazing. Thank you to all of you who joined with us. April, I got one last question for you. Do you remember our summer box? And the summer for travel box that we did? Remember you had your personalized tag?
Oh, wait, hold on. I have my tag. I travel for work. Yeah, I have that. Yes, I still have my bag. People notice it quickly because of the color, especially during the summer. Forget it. That name tag is on it, and I love it.
That duffel bag.
I was like, yes.
Yeah.
Good quality stuff. It's just perfect. My name is on. I'm done when I see my name. Like my name is on it. So. Well, I love it. And one more thing. And then that little coin thing where you can save your money, little coins.
I didn't bring it.
That's real cute. You know, you can put your little coins in it. It's in my bedroom. I love it. I just think you think of nice things. Good.
Thank you. And thank you for joining us and going down memory lane. And I think because you are a deaf interpreter, you know, sometimes we forget that we have deaf and hearing interpreters out there. And so deaf interpreters, we got you covered as well. We got you. You can use all of the same material as well. And we appreciate you and the work that you do in the community that you are a member of. So again, for those of you, if I can have our tech people, if you'll put that link back up, here it is, I think, is there in the comment section. This is where you can go directly to subscribe. My last thing, I didn't forget about our students. Our students who are becoming interpreters, I have you covered. I have a box out there for you on the website. Every semester you get something new. So the box covers you for 3 months, 3 to 4 months, spring semester, fall semester. I've got you covered. We have 1 student subscriber so far. So maybe you know someone who is in school to become an interpreter. I teach in interpreter training, so I see what my students need. And that's how we curated the student Terp box for students. So check that out tonight. You subscribe, sign somebody up tonight. Remember, you're going to get your free blue light glasses. Wear these on the job, off the job, to really help you with, protecting your eyes from being on the screen. That Terp student box is just $44.95, and that covers 4 months. 4 months you're covered. So it's just $44.95 every 4 months, every semester. Deborah Sorwar, good to see you. Thank you for joining us. She's one of our newly subscribed members, and I think she's liking it. I think she's loving it. So glad to have it. She even had somebody else sign up. Here are my last moments, my last words. April, we'll see you soon, okay? Thanks again for joining us. Appreciate you, girl.
All right, love you. Good night.
Good night, April. My last 2 comments. So you subscribe, and let's say you need to take a month off. Do it. You have total control of your subscription. You can press pause. That's no worries. You can pause your subscription at any moment. You won't be dropped. You just go into your dashboard and you select pause. If you need to change your address, go into your dashboard, change your address. No worries. You're in complete control. And the last thing that I like, one of the last things that I like the most, you have referral options. Refer 3 people. They use your referral code. They each get $5 off their first box, $5 off their first box. And then after the 3rd person, your next box is free. Subscribe 6 people under your name, your next 2 boxes are free. So check out the referral program that we have as well. Listen, we have so many interpreters in this world. I want every interpreter to have an IES interpreter box in their house. Okay? IES is going to keep going until we get interpreters everywhere with the IES interpreter box. Thank you again so much for joining us on tonight. As always, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're looking for where to get, if you didn't subscribe and you're like, oh my goodness, I still want this box, we have a few left over. You can click on, once you get to the website, use that same link, and you can click on shop. Once you click on shop, click on one-time box. Okay, that one-time box option. Let me see if I can find it for you. The one-time box option, here it is. And then once you get there, you will see this month's box. Okay, so I'm going to put it here in the comment section. I think if my tech team, if we can put that in there. If you want just this one-time deal, you're going to pay a little bit more, so you might as well save money and subscribe. But you'll pay a little bit more. You can get tonight's box, and I just have a few left, so I wouldn't hesitate. I would not wait till tomorrow, because we could sell out tonight with what we have left over. All right, thank you so much for joining with us. Please, if you haven't already, hit the share button, tag some interpreters that you know would love to have Christmas every 2 months. Listen, would love to have a new gift on their front porch every 2 months with items that you can use. All right, I appreciate you all. Thank you. Shout out to all of you. Rob, I appreciate you. You're so kind. You're so kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all are amazing. Tag a CODA interpreter, tag an interpreter, tag your friends and let them know. Don't sleep on this. Y'all got to get these boxes. Until next time, I appreciate you. Y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Hasta luego. Bye.